Today we're organizing the barn and keeping our tools safe from the dust with the help of our extra tall storage cabinet from SISESOL. And this cabinet comes shipped to your door, ready to organize your area as well. Setup was a lot easier than I expected. Cut open the box and slide out all of your parts so you can see what's what. Locate your user manual as well as your hardware, and then we can assemble it. Lay out your back walls and screw them together. Then put in your side walls and screw them down as well. Next, slide in the two connector bars in between the two side walls. Bolt those down, then you can slide in the top and bottom plate. Screw down the top plate, and then you can secure down the feet on the bottom. After those are secure, you can bolt down the wheels. Now you can set the cabinet upright and easily roll it to where you want. Then put in your shelf brackets and lower in your shelves. Next, put in the doors. And like that, your storage cabinet is built and ready to go. Lock the wheels, and then you can bolt it to the wall, so there's no chance of it falling over. I went through the barn and was able to find a place for everything that I wanted to keep safe from the dust. Its 5 shelves gives me plenty of room for my tools and projects. After I got everything where I wanted it, I brought out some magnetic accessories. I put in some lights, a screw holder, and a screwdriver holder. I shut the doors and locked it. Then I noticed there's a nice visual letting you know that the doors are locked. Then when it's unlocked, it's held shut with these magnetic caps that go into the door. It helps hold it closed and stay closed. Overall, I'm really impressed with this cabinet. It gives me tons of options for storage, and is literally taller than I am. I was surprised by that. I knew it was big, but I didn't know it would be taller than me. I'm 6 foot, so I was pretty impressed to say the least. The cabinet is durable, and I like that it's metal, so I can use my magnetic accessories. The shelves give me plenty of room to store my tools, and you can adjust them to fit your needs, so I have no complaints. So if you're looking to organize your area as well, this storage cabinet might just be for you. Till next time, I'm off to go continue organizing my barn. See ya.